Welcome to Boundless Estates, your daily look at real estate across the country. We search Zillow for unique and affordable homes, from off-grid cabins to one-of-a-kind properties. We find the hidden deals so you don't have to. What if I told you one of the very first banks in East Texas has been completely transformed into someone's home? That's right, a place where people once stood in line to deposit their paychecks or stash away coins is now a loft-style residence with exposed brick, pressed tin ceilings, and a vibe that feels more like downtown Dallas than small-town Cumby. Here's where it gets fun. It's not just a house. Because of its light commercial zoning, you could actually live here, run a small business here, or do both at the same time. And trust me, the real surprise is what's waiting at the top of those stairs. This building was originally constructed in 1900, back when horse-drawn carriages were still rolling down the street outside. Today, it's standing strong as a one-bedroom, two-bath residence with a little more than 1,500 square feet of living space, but you can still feel its history in every corner. Step through the front door, and the first thing you'll notice is the ceiling. Those pressed tin panels aren't replicas, they're originals. Overhead, they stretch across the room, reminding you that this isn't just a modern build with a vintage look. This is the real thing. Look down and you'll see wood floors that creak in a way only century-old boards can. Pair that with exposed brick walls, and suddenly you're standing in a space that feels both warm and urban. You'd never guess you're in the heart of a tiny Texas town with just a few hundred residents. The downstairs layout is clever. Instead of walls that cut up the room, the bedroom, sitting area, and living space are divided by freestanding sections. That way, the original ceiling height remains untouched, giving the whole space an open, loft-like energy. It feels flexible, like you could reimagine it however you want. Art studio, retail shop, home office, or just a cozy living space. The kitchen is tucked on the first floor too. It's not oversized, but it's functional, with solid surface counters, built-ins, and room to eat in. Right off the kitchen is a small patio, perfect for coffee in the morning or a quiet glass of wine at night. There's also a half bath downstairs for convenience. But upstairs is where things get interesting. That's where the loft bedroom is located, and unlike many historic conversions, this one has modern comforts worked in. The ensuite bathroom has granite counters, and the walk-in closet is surprisingly spacious. The upstairs feels private, almost like a retreat floating above the open floor below. Now here's the part everyone wants to know: the price. This historic bank building, with all its original charm, is on the market for $249,900. That's right, under $250,000 for a home you'll never find anywhere else. So now the question is, would you rather live in a cookie-cutter house built last year, or in a 125-year-old bank where every wall tells a story? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I can't decide if this is the quirkiest home in Texas or the coolest. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.